1. Introducing the true symbol of the American muscle car era, the 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, which is listed for sale at $18,500. This magnificent specimen, with only 89,000 miles on it, comes equipped with an automatic transmission and an attractive combination of green exterior and white interior, giving it an exquisite yet understated look. This vehicle, having changed hands twice, boasts truly impressive reliability and draws its roots from the powerful cars of the 70s, undoubtedly preserving the famous 350-pound rocket engine under the hood. And yes, everything works flawlessly. The owner emphasizes that the car has only a few minor surface blemishes, all of which are documented and displayed in the photographs. This Cutlass celebrated holidays with its current owner, who, taking their time, decided to enjoy driving this muscular beauty a little longer before putting it up for sale. Now, however, they are ready to pass the keys to the first person who offers $18,500 for this amazing heartbreaker. The owner assures that this car can confidently embark on any journey without any doubts about its reliability. The highlighted excellent condition is reinforced by descriptions such as very solid 72 Cutlass and cleaner underneath than on top, which indicates the attention paid to preserving not only its exterior appearance but also the technical rust-free aspect of the vehicle. With its appearance seemingly better than some cars that came out of the factory later in its years, this Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme will be the perfect acquisition for those who appreciate power, classic style, and long-term reliability. 2. Take a look at the classic American pickup truck, the 1983 Chevrolet 1500, currently on the market at an attractive price of $8,500. This vehicle captivates with its exceptionally sturdy mileage of 83,000 miles and the optimal combination of a black exterior and blue interior. It not only showcases its status as a vintage road warrior, but also takes care of the owner, thanks to its automatic transmission assembly. This Chevrolet embodies a passion for gasoline-powered cars and, as the seller emphasizes, features numerous new parts, a true testament to the substantial investments made in its condition and performance. The list of new components is so extensive that it is hard to enumerate them all, but the seller proudly kept all receipts for repair work. Under the hood, there are many new engine components, including a new engine wiring harness, and a nearly complete interior overhaul has been carried out. All of these works were completed less than a year ago, indicating meticulous care for the vehicle, which until recently served as a daily driver. However, like any classic car, there are areas that require attention. Specifically, the pickup's carburetor has a crack, but the seller offers 2 replacement options included with the car. If you are passionate about automotive engineering or simply looking for a project in your spare time, this offer can turn into an exciting hobby. Additionally, there have been issues with the headlights despite replacing almost all lighting system elements except for the bulbs themselves. This Chevrolet 1500 presents a perfect opportunity for those who appreciate style, potential longevity, and are willing to invest in restoration to bring this classic to perfection. Significant investments have already been made, and with a little additional TLC, this pickup truck will become a reliable companion for both daily commutes and outings to classic car exhibitions. 3. For sale is a 1985 Cadillac Eldorado, offered at $24,900. This car is a true classic with only 24,700 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission, highlighting the attention to detail and comfort characteristic of that time. Painted in a soothing yellow color called chamois, with a matching chamois leather interior, this Cadillac outshines modern standards in terms of class and style. This car has been carefully stored and maintained, which is evident in its excellent condition. With a clean title, no significant damages or issues, it is an exclusive find for a collector or enthusiast of rare cars. The original paint, vinyl roof, and interior have been preserved like new, indicating the meticulous care of previous owners. Bumper fillers have been replaced, new tires have been installed, and numerous new parts have been added, showcasing the attention to detail and commitment to maintaining the car's quality over the years. The air conditioner blows cold, and all electrical accessories function flawlessly. A complete service history since its purchase, a clean Carfax, and mileage confirmation through collected receipts are all included with the car. Supporting documents, such as the original build sheet and a copy of the factory label, emphasize the transparency of this car's origin. Having spent its days in the warm states, from Texas to Los Angeles and finally the Tampa Bay area in Florida, this Cadillac Eldorado is remarkably well preserved for its age and highly valued by current rare car collectors. There are not many cars on the market that can boast the same level of care and presentability. 4. In front of you stands a classic and elegant 1960 Ford Thunderbird that will evoke nostalgia for the golden era of American automobiles. This model is a true symbol of its time, offered for $10,500 and has already traveled 67,000 miles. On the outside, it is beautifully painted in red, while the interior features a contrasting black interior, creating a classic combination. Driving this beauty is a pleasure due to its automatic transmission, complemented by a powerful 352 V8 engine, providing a true classical driving experience. The 1960 Ford Thunderbird is equipped with a plethora of new parts, including tires and rims, fuel pump, water pump, generator, voltage regulator, shock absorbers, fuel tank, and exhaust system. The presence of wheel splash guards and original hubcaps further underscores its collectible value and attention to detail. The Ford Thunderbird pleasantly surprises with its road performance and the fact that it is still in good condition, albeit in need of some care and possible attention to detail. Despite a few spots of rust that have appeared under the paint, the overall condition of the car remains worthy of classic car enthusiasts. Overall, this Thunderbird continues to delight drivers who prefer not only style but also the unmistakable character of genuine classics. This gasoline-powered car, with all these updates, awaits someone who can appreciate it and give it the attention it deserves. The 1960 Ford Thunderbird is not just a means of transportation. It is a piece of history seeking a new owner ready to continue its legendary journey on the roads of the 21st century. 5. Today, we will consider a magnificent example of American automotive luxury, the 1969 Cadillac Deville, which is currently available for purchase for just $24,500. This car, with only 53,654 miles driven, represents a true vintage convertible that promises a luxurious journey through time once you find yourself behind its wheel. Not only does this Cadillac look captivating with its exterior white color, but it also challenges interior standards with its seats executed in a bold purple shade. The spacious and refined cabin of this convertible, equipped with a white top, will create an aura of extravagant luxury for you and your passengers. The 1969 Cadillac Deville is equipped with automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, a classic choice for cars of this era. It's worth noting that this vehicle is fully paid off, relieving the future owner from the need to deal with additional financial matters. Special attention is given to the life history of this Deville, since it was completely disassembled in 2010 and had its frame repainted, increasing its value and uniqueness. The suspension system has been completely updated, and the engine and transmission, after a thorough overhaul, are in excellent condition, guaranteeing that this Cadillac will remain a reliable companion for your travels. This car is a perfect fit for comfort and functionality enthusiasts, as it features power windows, PW, power locks, PL, cruise control, an adjustable height steering wheel with telescopic function, and an automatic trunk release. For a comfortable journey, you will be pleasantly surprised by the presence of an AM/FM stereo audio system, automatic dimming and on/off headlights, as well as automatic climate control. The incredibly picturesque picture is completed with a glossy pearl white paint, adding exclusivity and shine to this Cadillac Deville. The heart of the car is a powerful 472 engine. It perfectly accentuates the character of the vehicle, providing a sense of unrivaled power with every press of the accelerator pedal. In conclusion, this 1969 Cadillac Deville is not just a car. It is a vivid representative of an era, a symbol of affluence and style. It offers its keys to those who value luxury, dynamism, and the unique spirit of the past. Driving it is a real dream that can become a reality for one lucky car enthusiast. 6. Introducing the 1981 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, a car that combines the simplicity of classic design with reliability and an affordable price of $10,800. With only 59,000 miles on the odometer, this Monte Carlo presents itself to buyers in an exquisite green palette both inside and out, making its exterior and interior remarkably harmonious. The seller emphasizes the excellent condition of the car with confidence. There are no significant damages or issues, which is crucial for a vehicle that is over 40 years old. This particular Chevrolet is noteworthy for having had only 2 owners, which often indicates careful ownership and meticulous care. For the future owner, this car is already fully paid off and comes with a clean title, eliminating any potential legal or financial complications. Under the hood, the car is powered by a smooth-running V6 engine, which should provide comfortable driving on both city streets and country roads, striking a perfect balance between fuel efficiency and sufficient power. Additionally, the car is equipped with an automatic transmission, guaranteeing smooth and effortless gear shifts. This Chevrolet Monte Carlo impresses with its exterior appearance, as it has recently been repainted, and it meets modern requirements with new wheels and tires, as well as an upgraded exhaust system. According to the seller's description, the car has undergone a thorough inspection and preparation, making it an ideal candidate for someone seeking a stylish and reliable classic car without the immediate need for repairs or restoration. Every aspect of this 1981 Chevy Monte Carlo speaks to its readiness to bring joy and comfort to its new owner without any unnecessary hassle. It's a car that will allow its buyer to enjoy rides immediately, combining classic elegance with functionality. 7. At the heart of the classic car market, this elegant 1963 Ford Thunderbird holds a special place, showcased for sale at $15,000. With its memorable black color both on the exterior and in the interior, this model embodies the styling of a luxurious 60s coupe. With a mileage of 58,000 miles, documented and emphasized by accompanying paperwork, and only 2 owners throughout its history, this car represents a unique find. The seller confirms that the vehicle has been fully paid off, possesses a clean title, and does not have any significant damages or issues. This indicates that the Thunderbird has not only been preserved, but also carefully maintained. The 390 FE big block engine holds enough power to provide an authentic classic driving experience, reinforced by reliability and performance from all angles. Despite the absence of air conditioning and power windows, which add a certain authenticity to the ownership experience, this Thunderbird offers upgraded radial tires, a new brake booster with a master cylinder, as well as a fresh exhaust system and battery. Such upgrades only accentuate the care and attention that have been devoted to the car during its over 30-year residence in one family. This car is a perfect fit for those who value classics and are ready to incorporate a piece of automotive history into their lives. The 1963 Ford Thunderbird is already awaiting its new owner, ready to offer not only an impressive appearance and engine characteristics, but also reliability confirmed by decades of care and preservation. 8. Imagine the magnificence of an automotive rarity that not only impresses with its appearance, but also possesses a true classic soul: the 1968 Chrysler Imperial Crown. This car, currently offered for $12,500, is a truly rare specimen, especially in the 2-door coupe version that becomes the center of attention with its eye-catching yellow body color and snow-white interior. With only 43,000 miles on the odometer and careful ownership by just 2 previous owners, this Imperial Crown is not just in perfect condition. It has a history that is conveyed through the purity of its lines, the absence of any rust or decay. Every element of its structure, the frame, floors, trunk, is in impeccable condition. Add to this a fully functional and impressive powertrain, a 440 cubic inch engine and a 727 automatic transmission, and you'll get exceptional driving dynamics. After a long period of non-operation and a thorough revival procedure, including a complete tuning and fuel system overhaul, the Chrysler Imperial Crown emphasizes its readiness for smooth running with superior engine performance. Despite some need for seat cleaning, the car's interior is in wonderful condition, allowing you to experience all the wealth and luxury for which cars of that epochal period were renowned. The equipment of the model is stunning, from power drivetrains for everything, including the trunk, to the air conditioning system and autopilot, implying that driving this giant is a real pleasure. While you may need to pay attention to a few minor details to make it fully roadworthy, the current condition of the car is exemplary. The 1968 Chrysler Imperial Crown is not just a car, it is the embodiment of respect for history, culture, and the sophistication of automotive craftsmanship of that time. It awaits a new owner who will appreciate its merits and be ready to incorporate a piece of this splendid automotive era into their life. 9. Introducing the 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, available for sale for $6,000. This car is infused with the spirit of the late 70s, presenting itself with 55,000 miles under its hood. With an automatic transmission, it embodies the stability and reliability for which cars of that era were valued. This particular Cutlass Supreme is a vehicle that has known no other owners besides the current one. It was purchased new and has since retained all of its original features. Impressive details include the presence of the original payment receipt, warranty information, factory spare tire and jack, and even an inspection checklist from the dealership. It's worth noting that the car has records of numerous services, indicating its true history and the owner's meticulous care. Buyers should be aware that this Oldsmobile doesn't claim to be a show car. It has sat idle for over 10 years, and while it's not in perfect condition, its value as a classic is undeniable. There are signs of wear, such as a missing trim piece in the interior, although all parts are present within the car. The only notable issue is that the fuel gauge indicator doesn't work. The seller emphasizes that one should not expect to drive this car home without any issues, especially after such a long period of inactivity. In this regard, they urge buyers to exercise common sense and approach the purchase with the car's actual condition in mind. This 1979 Cutlass Supreme is a car for those seeking originality and a sense of the past. The past and present blend in every detail, every preserved service record, and every kilometer of the 55,000 traveled by this Oldsmobile. It awaits its new owner, ready to breathe new life into it and continue its story. 10. Introducing the 1970 Chevrolet Impala, currently seeking a new owner for $15,000. This car is not just a means of transportation, it's a treasure for enthusiasts. Over the past 5 years of ownership, the current owner has found joy and fun in it, but unfortunately, time and resources to invest further are limited. With only 57,000 miles on the odometer, the car is in exceptional condition. The body is painted in a deep, rich burgundy color that accentuates the classic design lines. The automatic transmission ensures smooth control, and according to the seller, the engine matches the factory serial number. This signifies that we have an Impala that has preserved its authenticity throughout the decades. Furthermore, the owner has taken great care to improve the car, upgrading the camshaft, installing a new carburetor and ignition distributor. These enhancements have not only increased the Impala's performance, but also added an extra layer of reliability. The seller has also kept the original owner's manual and roadside kit, which is rare for a car of this age and demonstrates careful preservation. There is even an original warranty card, a testament to its history and authenticity. The 1970 Chevrolet Impala drives superbly, as confirmed by the owner, and all it needs is a little love. This car awaits its new owner who can appreciate its true value, address the aspects that the previous owner couldn't due to time or resources, and continue writing its unique story on the roads.